Alright guys, welcome to my channel KOSB Finance, and here all we do is to make money. Alright, and I want to especially welcome you. If you're a first timer to this channel, all you need to do is just to subscribe and click the bell button. Alright, okay, in this channel I teach you how to trade and profit from the basics. All right, so this is the best channel for those that have not tested their foot in trading, or are still trying to find a bearing, and they're looking at, they don't want to burn their money. All right, all I teach here is free, so it's necessary that you hit the subscribe button, so that whenever I upload videos that can actually help you to profit in the market and that will teach you, excuse me, all right, you will get notification. So click the subscribe button and also click the bell button. And do not forget that we have our Telegram group where you can join. All right, there's a link right here, and if you want to take the free course that I've created for you, all right, and you want to access the free indicators that I also use, all right, all you need to do is to click this link right here. Okay, these indicators are actually enhance your trading, so do help yourself to click this link to get started. And if you need to talk to me personally, privately, you can hit me up on this WhatsApp link right here. Okay, so each of these links are in the description below, so all you need to do is to check the description and you'll be able to access each of them by just a click. Quickly, why are we in this video? I told you I'm going to do an update on how you could actually make some profit in this video. All right, what we'll be talking about basically is how we could make use of the RSI to be profitable in the market. All right, how are you going to use the RSI to be profitable in the market? Now quickly, how can we do this quickly? Now if you've not watched the last video, I implore you to go watch it, because there I explained extensively how you can actually make use of the psychological levels in place of support and resistance. Because as beginners, you will definitely be having issues drawing the right support and resistance levels. All right, so just go to the previous video and you will see how I came about this level right here. Okay, these lines you can see, they are called psychological levels. This white one is the main major psychological level, while this is the minor, this yellow one is the minor. All right, so now looking at what we have just right here, now you will see that the price broke this particular level. All right, this 260 level, you can see it tested it here and dropped, it tested it here and dropped. Now you can see that it has tested here again and it had a little pullback, then it broke it. All right, on the break of this tells us that the market is planning to plunge higher. All right, I just exited a trade right now that pushed higher. All right, now what do you want to see in this market? Very simple. All right, now do not forget that strategy is the break and retest strategy. Now what you're looking for is, you want the market to push up, break a particular major, trust me now, you want it to break a major level like this. It could break a minor, yes, but it's most times preferable when it breaks a major and retest it. So now in this scenario, I'll just be waiting for this to break this level. Then when it retests this level, I would like it to correspond with the RSI. on the oversold right here. So after it drops to this 260 psychological level, and I see that it falls on this 32 level, all right, on the RSI, then all I need to do is to place my buy trade, and it goes. All right, so guys, that's just the briefing on what the strategy is about. All right, there's no abracadabra about it. There is no two ways about it. Okay, now look at this scenario. You can see the price came and broke this one to the downside. You can see it broke here and pushed back up. All right, now I'm pushing back up to retest this psychological level, this major psychological level. You can see that it corresponded with the RSI on the overbought region. Just right here, you can see. And the next thing is the market dropped, just like that. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. Now look at this also. You can see the market went up. It broke this level, came back, broke it here, came back to retest this level right here. You can see, and you can see that it corresponded with the RSI just here. The same thing just here. So you place your buy around here, and you can see the market pushed higher. So this is a very easy trading system that you can just you can rely on. You can see the same thing happened here. It broke this level, then came back to retest this psychological level. You can see this corresponding RSI levels here and here. You can see, then it pushed higher. All right, so this happens like almost all the time. You can see the same thing here. You broke this one, consolidated, and came back to retest just right here on this RSI level, and it went up just like that. It's as simple as you see it. It's just as simple as you see it, guys. You can see broke this level, broke, came back to retest just right here, RSI overbought just right here, then it dropped. So that's that on that, guys. So I would like you guys to try this out, try this strategy for yourself. And by the way, the RSI value I used in this trade is RSI 13. Let me just show you those settings I used for the RSI. You can see period 13, apply to close, and whatever color you like. Then levels, I use level 32, then level 68, and level 50. All right, you basically don't need level 50, but all you need is the 32 and 68. All right, so that's the setting for my RSI, and you're good to go. So guys, I wish you the best in your trading, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell button. All right, so I remain your boy KOSB Finance, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.